You want to know the real reason that your real estate videos aren't working? It's not the algorithm. It's not your camera. It certainly is not because you don't have the personality for video. It's because you're making videos for the wrong audience and you're ignoring the people who are actually trying to find you. Yes, there are people online right now trying to find you. Let me guess, tell me if this sounds familiar. You post a couple videos, you try to sound professional, maybe you talk about interest rates, maybe you talk about a new listing, and then you get 14 views. No calls, no leads. Sound familiar? Meanwhile, you're watching all of these other real estate agents post way less polished videos, and somehow they're the ones getting all the business. So if you're tired of guessing, go download the free guide that I just put together. It's called The 7 Real Secrets to Getting Real Estate Clients from YouTube. No fluff, no hacks, just what actually works. I'll put the link in the description down below, realestatevideostrategy.com/freebies. So when I first got serious about YouTube, I did what I thought you were supposed to do. I scripted out everything. Tried to sound sharp, tried to sound professional. I even rehearsed stupid things like, "Hey there, I'm Adam Miller. I'm your local real estate agent on Lakewood Ranch." You know the line. And the result did not sound like me. Kind of felt stiff, definitely over rehearsed for sure. And honestly, it was just forgettable. I was trying so hard to make the right kind of video that I ended up saying nothing meaningful at all. There was a week that I recorded 3 full videos, spent hours on them, never posted a single one. I watched them back, hated how I sounded, hated how I looked, just scrapped all of it. I was so close to quitting, like this close to quitting altogether. And a few days later, here's what happened. I get a phone message from somebody who'd seen an older video. They said, "Hey, Adam, I've been watching your stuff for months. You seem real. Can we talk about buying a home?" That's what it's all about. That's when it hit me. It's not about being perfect on camera. It's just about being honest because people don't hire you because you nailed the script. They hire you because they feel like they can trust you. This is a know you, like you, trust you business. So here's the real problem with most real estate videos. You're so focused on visibility instead of connection. See, YouTube is not about going viral. It's about building trust at scale with the people who are already searching for your help. Think about your average buyer or your average seller. They're certainly not sitting around saying, "Gee, really hope I find a 90-second video with cinematic drone shots and possibly some royalty-free music today." Not happening. They're saying things like, "Is it even worth buying a home right now? Should I wait for rates to drop? What's the catch with these builder incentives?" That's where you come in. Or your content sounds like a market report or a listing presentation, they're just going to tune you out because that is not why they're online right now. That's not what they're searching for. If you want to know what they're searching for, that's what this free guide breaks down. 7 real secrets to getting clients from YouTube. Put the link in the description down below. So let me walk you through one of those secrets right now because it's a game changer in my opinion. Create evergreen content, search-based content. So here's the deal. Most agents create content, but your audience, they're typing in questions. You need to show up as the answer. So do this. After this video, go to YouTube and type in "moving to your city," or "should I buy a house in your city right now?" And just look what people are searching for. That is your roadmap. Now, let's turn those searches into strong video titles. So instead of saying "June market update," try this: "Is now a terrible time to buy in Sarasota." Instead of saying "new build home tour," try "the hidden cost of buying new construction in Florida." Instead of saying "ABC neighborhood spotlight," try this: "why my buyers chose Lakewood Ranch over Venice." See what I did there? You want titles that ask a real question, that spark curiosity, that actually sound like something that your client would actually say out loud. When you do that, your video stops being just content and it starts being a conversation. It's a conversation that your ideal client wants to have already. And the best part is that videos like this, they work for months, sometimes up to years. They show up in search, they keep building trust, and they keep sending you leads while you sleep. So if your videos aren't working right now, do not panic. And definitely do not quit. What you need is just a shift in strategy. You need to speak to real people. You need to answer real questions. Stop being the next flashy agent. You just want to be someone that your clients can believe in. So you're ready to stop spinning, get our free guide. I wrote it for agents just like you, agents who are serious, who are motivated, and just need a plan that actually works. realestatevideo.com/freebies. Look, you don't need to be perfect on camera. You don't need a big personality. You don't even need to post a video every day. You just need to be clear, consistent, and committed to building trust. So YouTube gives you the chance to show up for your future clients before they even reach out. So when they finally do, it's not a cold lead. Somebody who already feels like they know you, like you, and trust you. That's what this strategy is all about. So if this video helped, stick around because I'm not here to hype you up, not here to leave you hanging. I'm here to walk you through everything that you need to do to be successful on YouTube. See you in the next video.